Walking into a magical ring. Left hand spread. Wrap the yarn around your little finger. Then bring it to the index finger. Make a loop around your middle finger. Pin the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into loop on your middle finger. Like this. Yarn round hook, pull up loop. The loop on the middle finger becomes a magical ring. First, work a chain stitch. Yarn round hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. Next, work 6 single crochets. Insert hook into the magical ring, pull up loop through the magical ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn round hook, pull through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is done. Place marker in the first stitch. Like shape of a wave. Continue. Insert hook into the magical ring, pull up loop through the magical ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn round hook, pull through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is done. Continue to work single crochet in the same way. Insert hook into the magical ring, pull up loop through the magical ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn round hook, pull through both loops on the hook. The third single crochet is done. Repeat. Continue to work single crochet in the same way. Insert hook into the magical ring, pull up loop through the magical ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn round hook, pull through both loops on the hook. Continue to work single crochets in the same way. 6 single crochets are finished. Such a V shape on the side is 1 stitch. Count the number of stitches: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then pull the yarn tail to close the ring. Then we work a slip stitch to make the round end to end. Remove the marker. Insert hook into the first stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up a loop through the stitch. Also pull it through the original loop on the hook. That's a slip stitch.